Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to do a little test with this. I had someone comment on, I believe it was this video, when I added the gold leaf embellishments that you can see on there. They asked how I finish my paintings because apparently when they varnished theirs with some gold leaf, the leaf actually turned black. So for some reason the varnish discolored it. I don't know. So I'm going to do a test today. I'm filming this. I'll probably wait a week or two and just let the painting sit and see if anything happens with it. I have my Liquitex gloss varnish, and then I just have a sponge brush that I'm going to wipe it on with. I may do a couple of coats just to get a really nice gloss finish. The reason why I'm testing this out is because I normally finish my pieces with resin, but I would like to see if the varnish works well. But if the varnish is going to discolor the leaf, which I don't know why it would, then that's something that I don't want to do in the future. But for right now, I just put some of that varnish on my painting, and I'm just gently going back and forth with my brush over the piece. So once this is dry, like I said, I may add a couple more coats, but I want to wait and show you guys what it looks like in a week or two after it's sat with the varnish, just to see if the gold leaf reacts at all. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry. Like I said, I may add one or two more coats, but then I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's been sitting for a little while, and we'll see if the varnish reacts with the gold leaf at all. If it doesn't, I think this is going to be a really quick and easy way to finish some of my paintings instead of using resin. But I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I hope this helps. Okay, so it's been about a week, and as you can tell, it doesn't look like this has discolored at all. That gold is really nice and shiny. So it seems like the Liquitex varnish is going to work just fine on top of the gold leaf. But this one, I will share a link in the video description below. I'm adding this to Etsy if anyone is interested. I ship throughout the US, and orders over 35 are free shipping. So if you'd like to check it out and like to check out what else I have in my store, you can do so below. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful, especially if you also want to work with gold leaf and use varnish instead of resin. It's really easy to do, it dries quick, and it looks great. So I hope you guys like this piece, and I'll be doing more like this in the future, adding some leaf to it.